As you progress through this course, you'll have the opportunity to create your own project in the development environment called Android Studio. So, let's take a moment to install Android Studio now. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Android Studio. Although I'm using a MacBook, the download and installation process is similar for Windows and other operating systems. First, go to the official Android Studio webpage, developer.android.com/studio. This page has everything you need to quickly get started. It picks the operating system by default. So, because I'm running this website on a MacBook, it picks Mac OS. If you want to download on other operating systems, you can click Download Options. With this, you can choose between other alternatives for Windows, Mac, Linux and Chrome. Now, let's download the software Android Studio. Because Android Studio versions are bundled with Java Development Kit by default, you don't need to separately download and install Java on your local machine. When you click Download Android Studio, the terms and conditions are displayed, which you need to read and agree with. Then, select the correct version of Android Studio for your Mac, either Mac with Intel chip or Mac with Apple chip. The Mac I'm working on has the Apple chip, M1, so I select Apple chip. Downloading Android Studio may take some time depending on your internet speed. While waiting, it's worth mentioning that when you do create your own project in Android Studio later, you will use an emulator to run your project. An emulator conveniently allows you to simulate your app in Android Studio without needing to install the application on an actual physical device. But you'll learn more about this later.